And this pan right here, we're gonna hook up with all of our flavor for our flautas. So some of our red onion going in right here, and then half of our jalapenos going in to this as well. All right, so we got some cayenne pepper in here and some cumin down as well. I love the way that cumin just really blooms in this. It's gonna smell so good, taste so great. And the cayenne for the heat. And then, of course, you know, the onions and our jalapeno. Now, what I wanna do is get some garlic in there as well. All right, just go ahead and grate this right into your pan. You can just start smelling everything. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so that's in. Just go ahead and move it around a little bit. Make sure everything's going good over here. And now what we wanna do is just go ahead and add some salsa in. Buy it at the store. You got it left over, throw it right in. I love this because it's gonna kind of bring this chicken back to life. About a cup goes in. Just getting the last of my rotisserie chicken all chopped up. I already pulled it and shredded it from the bones. You gotta give the rotisserie chicken a go. It is a great buy because usually costs just about the same as it does to buy it raw. So you might as well just go ahead and buy it and take out one of the cooking processes when you're doing your dinner. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get some cheese, a cheddar jack blend down onto my salsa. Remember we added the red onions and the jalapeno pepper, that salsa that we bought from the store as well. And then the cumin is in there. Oh, this is gonna be really good. A little bit of cayenne. And that's it, except for I wanna add a little bit of zip to it, a little bit of lime juice, all right? So lime juice in there. And this is it. This is what we are going to wrap that flour tortilla around before we give it a dunk in oil and get it a nice and crispy and golden brown and turn it into a flauta. All right, so that's good to go. That's done. All right, now I'm gonna start building up our flautas. I've got some oil in here in my pan, a couple of inches, 350 degrees, bring it up, and then we're gonna start kind of assembling our crunchy, crunchy flautas. They're not crunchy now, but we're gonna make them crunchy with the fry. All right. Get our tortillas out. We'll start with 4. I like to do in like 4 batches. Don't overcrowd the oil. What we want to do now is just kind of fill up the center of our little tortillas here. 6-inch, just in case you want to know. All right, so I've got all of the centers of them filled up with just a little scoop full of your mixture, your chicken, your cilantro, everything that's going to make this taste great. And what you want to do is just kind of roll everything up and secure it with a toothpick. I'll get some out here so I can play. All right, and here we go, just roll it. Now, if this is too brittle, you know what to do, just zap it. Make it nice and pliable for you. Like that, and throw your toothpick in. So put the toothpick in, just kind of hold it together so all your filling doesn't fall out. And everything is cooked, so all we're really going for is that golden, crunchy brown color of your flour tortilla. All right, just 4 in now. What I want to do is start working on our sauce, our avocado sauce. We're going to go ahead and dunk them in. It's kind of like guacamole without all the works. We're going to get 1 avocado, a lime, and we're going to get this going. Look at that, this is good to go. Then some sour cream goes in, and all I'm gonna do to that is add a little bit of lime juice for some zip. You know, the sour cream's already got it in it, but lime's everywhere today, so why not? Right into our bowl here. That is gonna be good.